Hey, do you want to learn how to change or remove strap from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 2 Active? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, so I've got this Galaxy Watch 2 here, and I want to remove the strap from it. It's very simple. You just need to find these two buttons. It's on this strap and it's on this strap as well. This one requires you to push the button up, and this one requires you to push the button down, because you can see there's a hole here. And I can just press it and push it down. So like this, I can push it down, and there you go. The strap is now out. This way you can remove the strap. And for the other one, if you rotate the watch like this, you can do the same for the other strap as well. Just press and hold it down. And there you go. Now our watch does not have bands on it. Now, if you want to put a replacement band back, you can just take that band like this one, and you're going to find this pencil tip like thing. You need to put it here, right here. Just put it like that. And then on the top, this pencil tip thing is going to come out. Now you just need to, again, hold this button thing and push it down and place the band in order like that, and it's going to click. And that's it. We have now changed our band on our Galaxy Watch 2. Yeah, that's it. That's how to remove or change strap from your Galaxy Watch 2 Active. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Samsung Galaxy Watch 2 related guides and fixes. See you there, and bye for now.